What's up guys, EB Coast here, back with another update on Project Purple and Shoreline Pier. We're getting a behind the scenes tour of both Project Purple and Shoreline Pier today, and so let's go check it out.
You can see that work is already underway behind me. The light blue roller coaster, and I'll tell you more about it a little bit, is barrels of fun. It used to be Raging Cajun, for those who know. We'll just address the elephant in the room.
That is a very nice view. Only my camera didn't use it. Just stuff. Me and my friends know.
Over here you can see they're working on barrels of fun. So since the last time I was here, Wave Swinger has officially gone up, and they have all the coverings over here, which they're going to put on very soon. We also have more of the pathway landscaping area going along, and all these decorative poles that are going to have lighting all throughout. Here's Hypno Twister, and Roundup has also now gone up. And then over here at Raging Cajun, they're doing some work, and it appears the queue and the exit are starting to go in over here. Alright, and that's going to do it for this behind the scenes tour of Project Purple as well as Shoreline Pier. Hope you guys all enjoyed. I'm EB Coaster, and I'll see you guys next time.
Use a rain seater facing forward, keeping your head against